Welcome to B&B Craft Shop. I'm Barbie, here to show you how I use the Infusible Ink iron-on paper. If you're a returning YouTuber, welcome back. If you're new here, subscribe. Stay tuned. So the first thing we have to do is measure our logo to make sure that it's within limits. I like to measure 3 to 4 inches from the top using my fingers and 3 to 4 inches from each side. That'll be the perfect chest measurement. I verify my measurement using the grip pad. My measurement will be around 12 inches by 7 inches. Now we go into our Cricut design space. I'm going to be using text, so I write my text down. Then I measure it using the grid. I'll also be uploading a logo. I'm going to be using the simple format. Then you use the magic wand and you erase the background. And everything looks good here, so we just click save. Now it's going to ask me what image I want to upload. I just select the image once more and upload it. I measure it once more with the grid. I thought the font was a little too small and thin for the logo thickness, so I decided to look for a more thick font in order to match my logo. Then I lowered the spacing between the letters.
So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go.
I make sure my line type is set to cut and my fill line is set to none. I press continue and I make sure that everything's set to mirror because I will be trespassing this image. Now on my light grip grid pad, I remove the film cover and I add the iron-on. I open my Cricut. Turn it on. And load my Cricut. On the Cricut design space, number 1 says to set material to iron-on. So I verify that it's set to iron-on. And now we're ready to go. Once it finishes cutting gives me the option to start cutting the next image. And now we have finished using our Cricut. With the iron-on, I cut out the pieces to make it easier to remove the negative. The negative is the paper that you will not be using to iron on. I like to use a cutting board under so I don't cut anything else but the image. One tip I want to give is to click on Cricut again and it will recut the image so that it makes it a little easier to remove the negative. Once all the negative is removed, I got my shirt and I added a piece of cardboard under so that the infusible ink iron-on paper won't seep through. Then I use my parchment paper so I don't burn anything. I let the iron sit for 30 seconds on each side on the hottest temperature it can go.
So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been
I noticed some lifting on the letters, so I added some extra heat. Another advice that I would give is to use polyester shirts. I used the 100% cotton and didn't get the same effects. Then I removed the infusible ink and I got my logo shirt. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos. See you all next week when I start to make some home updates.